In this video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this custom typography for this logo here on the left. It's really as simple as just creating these various rectangles in Adobe Illustrator and assembling them like this. One special note, these are not lined up on purpose. If you notice over here, if I were to zoom in, the bottom part of this A sticks out just a little bit. In typography, anything that's rounded typically sticks out just a little bit to compensate for some of this negative space versus the flat one there. So you should kind of stagger them just a little bit like that. Once you have the shapes lined up, I'm going to click, drag, and select all of them. I'm going to go get my shape builder tool. And then you'll notice as I come back and hover over them, it's highlighting various pieces. It wants to know what we want to combine or what we want to edit. We want to edit some of these pieces out around the shapes and into this negative space first. So to do that, I'm going to hold the Option key on the keyboard. That's the Alt key if you're using a PC. I'm going to hold Option down on the keyboard. I'm going to click down on the mouse, holding down on the mouse as I go through this piece, and then once I'm through the piece, letting go of the mouse, and the piece is gone. I'm going to continue that process. I'm going to hold down on the Option. I'm going to push the Option key, hold down on the mouse, drag through these pieces. I can do a number at a time until I get through all the pieces, then letting go of the mouse, and now they're gone. I'm going to continue to do that. Okay, now we need to go in right here and up and down on the bottom of the top and the bottom of the H. I'm going to hold Option, click, drag through these pieces till they're gone. Holding Option, clicking and dragging through these pieces. Same thing here. Okay, and now all we have left is the basic shape, but we need to combine them into one, and then we need to add some curves around some of these angles here, corners. I'm going to click, drag, and select this again, go get my shape builder tool. I'm not going to hold Option on the keyboard this time. That's just for cutting into the shape. This time I'm simply just going to click down on the mouse, drag through the shapes that I want to combine, and then let go of the mouse and they're combined. I'll just repeat that process around all the remaining parts of the letters. Okay, and then in order to add these curves in, I'm going to simply go get my direct selection tool. I'm going to select this anchor point right here. I'm going to hold Shift and select this anchor point right here, and then this one up here. Those all have about the same curve, so doing those at the same time, clicking and dragging any one of these circles here. Click down on the mouse, drag it in until I get it right to where it needs to go. And then I'm going to do these two here and this one here at the same time since they're at the same angle. So clicking that, holding Shift, clicking this, Shift, clicking this, and then holding Shift, clicking this, and then dragging that in, not quite far enough. Sometimes you have to zoom in. That went too far to kind of pull it just right if you're doing a real small increment like this. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to zoom back out. I'm going to click, drag, select all of that, get my eyedropper tool, select and sample this color, recreate the background here, and there, start to finish, we have recreated this custom typography.